This short video will explain where to find your transfer credits, what they mean, and how to use them in your degree plan. Let's get started. You can find your transfer credits in My Trent under Admissions. Just select the Transfer Credits icon. Here are some examples of transfer credits that a business administration student might have. The H in the course code tells you it is a half-credit course. Most of our courses at Trent are half-credit courses. We have three types of transfer credits: assigned transfer credits, which are exact course equivalents, unassigned departmental transfer credits, and unassigned general transfer credits. You can see examples of each in the orange blocks at the bottom. Now let's find your program requirements in the academic calendar. A new version is published each year, and students use the version from the year they start at Trent. Select the Undergraduate Programs button and search for your program to find your requirements. Here are program requirements for the Bachelor of Business Administration, the BBA. The BBA Honors Program requires 20 credits, including the following 12 credits. Each program is made up of a set number of required credits as well as elective credits. Honors degrees at Trent require 20 credits. The BBA outlines 12 program requirement credits. Therefore, if you subtract the 12 program credits from the total 20 credits required, the 8 credits that remain are for electives. Electives are any courses that aren't required for your program. There is no list of electives. Students may choose from almost any course offered as long as they have the prerequisites. Students must ensure their program requirements and choice of electives meet the university degree requirements in order to graduate. Now let's look at how to apply transfer credits to program requirements and how to tell what there is left to take. On the left, we have the example transfer credits, and on the right, the example program requirements. The total number of transfer credits in this example equals 10. Remember that course codes with an H are worth a half credit. As you can see, I've highlighted the program requirements on the right-hand side with green to indicate where I can use these transfer credits to meet program requirements. The admin Year 2 unassigned departmental credits are 2,000 level credits. The admin Year 3 unassigned department credits are 3,000 level credits. And the 0.5 COIS Year 1 unassigned departmental credit is a 1,000 level half credit. The Arts Year 1 unassigned are 1,000 level credits. Anything that's not highlighted in green on the right-hand side are program requirements you'd still need to complete in your time at Trent. I've included a summary here of how transfer credits can be applied to both the program requirements and the elective requirements. Out of the 10 transfer credits in this example, 4.5 can be applied to the program requirements, and 5.5 can be applied to the elective requirements. This means that in this example, the student has 7.5 program requirements left to complete and 2.5 elective credits to complete while at Trent. It's good to know that you don't need to do anything to activate or apply your transfer credits. Once the assessment is complete, those transfer credits are on your record and can be used to meet program or degree requirements where applicable. Transfer credits receive a pass grade. Your average will only be calculated from your Trent credits going forward. Make sure you review both your program requirements and the university degree requirements in the academic calendar. The Bachelor of Business Administration has 11 specializations, which are optional. Students may obtain only one specialization as part of an honors BBA degree. Please visit the program website to learn more about specializations and other helpful program information, including contact information for the department. You may still have questions after viewing this video, and that's okay. We have lots of helpful resources on our website, so be sure to check those out. Contact academic advising to discuss your transfer credits, what they mean, and how they fit into your degree plan. Advisors can also help with planning your timetable and help you learn how to register for classes. Contact our admissions team if you have questions about your transfer credit assessment, questions about submitting course syllabi for review, or if you have questions about the terms or conditions of your offer.